Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm sharing with you Meze's Empyrean headphones. These top of their range, stunning headphones are luxurious and lightweight on the head. They sound amazing. They've got a frequency response beyond anything in its category. They've used some unique driver technology, their Isodynamic arrays. They're amazing. Absolutely amazing and phenomenal performance for the price. These are outclassing absolutely everything in its field, and it's wonderful that I get an opportunity to share them with you now. The Empyreans, they come in like a box, like a travel case kind of stuff. They have model and scannable serial number information on one side, and then just the subtlest of packaging as far as what is inside. Opening it is very easy. There's no sellotape closing this part, holding this part closed. It's a simple process of unfolding the lid. Once inside, there's actually an additional carry case. So there's the packaging, and that case is sealed closed with a little bit of sellotape. A little bit of packing tape on one end. There we go. And the care and attention that Meze have delivered is highlighted by the fact that they give you a small carry case. It's a nice little briefcase sized unit. It has again the Meze Empyrean logo and made in Romania. The case has a lovely feel and can be opened with the elegance that these headphones deserve. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful in their presentation, stunning in their performance, and kind of like a gift case, positioned beautifully as far as that little extra flair that high-end headphones deserve. The case itself, obviously well protected. Okay, and of course, as always, please hang around for some close-up photographs where I'll show you these and their configuration up close. So, firstly, the accessories. Meze comes with their 6 1/4 cable. It's about 3 meters long. Beautiful in quality, clearly marked with the red and blue according to the fittings, and they are branded with Meze. There is a small sort of warranty card and thank you associated with your purchase. There is a genuine sort of purchase card along with their serial number and the date of manufacturing. There is a set of replacement ear pads, and in one of those sets is a couple of small desiccant bags for the purposes of ensuring that these have sort of been kept dry and moisture free in transit. These velour pads are a beautiful soft pad and acoustically transparent, as you can see. The headphones themselves are beautiful and elegant. They come pre-fitted with the lambskin version of ear pads, which are a little bit bulkier, a little bit sort of higher than the velour, but it gives you a lovely option for those that may choose. You can see inside, and again hang around for close-ups, these beautiful array and how delicate the main drivers are and how well protected they are behind the steel sort of gauze. The headphones have a lovely feel to them. The cups rotate in both directions and will sit flat on any surface. They have a leather strap and then a beautiful flexible steel headphone band. Adjusting these on the head is really easy. It's a simple slip. Then it's firm enough to hold, but not so firm it makes it difficult to adjust them for your own head shape or listening preferences. With the cables, of course, they connect in the sockets at the base of each, and Meze now produce a series of aftermarket headphone cables, including balanced, 4mm balanced, and 3.5mm stereo. These are in their copper alternatives and by far the most popular as far as the colour options that they have. So these beautiful headphones, the fit and the finish, they're just perfect, and I've loved them from the first time I've listened, and it's great that I've had the opportunity to share these beautiful headphones with you today here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.